how to prepare machine for cutting. First, open Google Chrome and insert Costycnc.it CM8. Connect with machine. Click connect. Here from chicken. Connect it. And here net appear Jubilee 1.5 acronym. These two arrows port machine to 0 or home. This. So the 0 machine is the left and up. So the machine could port the left to right and the up to down. So with this arrow port hot wire to form in this mode, okay, port the hot wire to form in this mode, and in this mode open the port, okay, and in this mode is ready to cut. So the hot wire need to be upper part and the left of form in this mode. And Microsoft Paint will create a letter. So open Microsoft Paint. Okay. Already a letter. There is a A. From here put 300. Okay. And now the letter is big. Okay. Put also this. Okay. Now select this from here. Okay. Select the letter. Okay. And click cut. Okay. And now have two possibilities: or click left and select all and copy, or save. In picture A, save. And now return at my page and have two possibilities: or click and put paste, okay, okay, or open files and treat the picture A. Okay, is the same. And now the picture is 4.5 to 5. So now I wanted that this form is very strong, that white form. So this form need to regulate good the temperature and velocity. Here G-code window you can find velocity. So if 500 is too fast, can change to 300 and after can cut. But first I change again this F with 500, okay, and regulate the temperature half, so base temperature, and what white button can good. Okay, we'll see that this code is not good because the wire remains not advanced. You see, not advanced with wire. The machine not advanced with wire. As the code is not better. Look. So need to adjust velocity and temperature adjusting. Look. Okay. Look what happened. Okay. Okay, look. Look, this is result. It's not good. It's not sign here. Now, the second code, we adjust the temperature better. So, okay. I can adjust the temperature until cold, cut. So now, send the machine to cold, right? Okay. And when cold, I adjust the temperature. I put temperature the maximum because it's little good, but it is not enough. Okay. For this, when make another code, we adjust velocity. Okay. This code is good for first, but is not enough because is here the problem and not having the form good. So the first I make another code, okay, but this time I make a lower velocity. From 500 I make 300. Okay, and now on button right, send to put. Okay, in this mode, the hot wire have time to put the form, the styrofoam. Okay, because this type of styrofoam is very hard. This type of styrofoam wire not need to have problems, but with this styrofoam that is very hard have this problem. So now good, is perfect. It need have wire a little space and need stay not never remain. Okay, this stay tension. Okay, now is perfect. Okay, we'll see I have a little space and the foot is perfect. Here is because it's okay. Look, it's same as original. Okay, look, same as original. Okay, in this mode you need adjust temperature and velocity.